Hello, good morning students. We are discussing short run equilibrium of a firm in monopolistic competition. In the earlier video lectures, we discussed characteristics of monopolistic competition. And in the last video lecture, we discussed first possibility of short run equilibrium of a firm in monopolistic competition, where an individual firm is earning supernormal profit. When average revenue is greater than average cost, the firm can earn supernormal profit. Now, the second possibility, a firm is incurring losses. Kab hoga? When average revenue is less than average cost. So, x-axis represents output, y-axis represents price. Okay, this is marginal cost. Okay, so P is the equilibrium point where marginal cost and marginal revenue are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price. Okay, x-axis output, y-axis represents price. P क्या है? Equilibrium point where marginal cost and marginal revenue are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price, and this is an equilibrium output. Now, what is the situation? Average revenue is less than average cost. It means average cost is greater than average revenue. This is average revenue curve. So obviously, if average cost is greater than average revenue, average cost curve should above average revenue curve. So we can draw average cost curve like this. This is average cost curve. Okay. Yeah. A, B, C. B. This is B, this is C and D. Okay. So what can we observe? Output कितना है अपना? Optimum output OM. In producing OM output, average cost is equal to BM. Average revenue is equal to BM. Cost पर कौन सा point है? C. So average cost is equal to CM. So per unit जो loss है, per unit lost, average loss कितना है? CB. Okay, this is average cost, this is average revenue. Okay, so per unit loss कितना है? CB. But when we calculated into area, CB into OQ, so ABCD, okay, we can also know total revenue and total cost. Okay, so what is the total cost? ODCM. Total cost is ODCM. Total revenue is OABN. Total revenue is OABN. So obviously rectangle ABCD क्या हो जाएगा? Loss. How to explain? X-axis represents output, y-axis represents price. P is an equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price, and this is an equilibrium output. As we observe from diagram that in producing OM output, average cost is equal to BM, average revenue is equal to BM, average cost is equal to CM. Here average revenue is less than average cost, so firm is incurring losses. In our diagram, rectangle ABCD is indicating loss. Okay, तो आप total cost और total revenue दिखा के भी बराबर समझा सकते हैं. Okay, we have already discussed same point in monopoly, so हम लोग repeat नहीं करते. Okay, so this is second possibility when a firm is incurring losses. Third, a firm is earning normal profit. और normal profit कब होगा? When average revenue is equal to average cost. Okay, this is the diagram. Marginal cost. Okay, straight line. Draw. Same OA output. First paragraph was common रहेगा. When you are writing in the examination, x-axis represents output, y-axis represents price. P is an equilibrium point where marginal revenue and marginal cost are equal. Firm produces OM output at OA price, and this is an equilibrium output. Okay. Now what is the situation? Average revenue is equal to average cost. So This is the point where of average revenue. So average cost equal है, तो we have to draw average cost like this. Just tangent here and go. This is average cost. So BM. Output, our output is OM. Average revenue is BM. Average cost is also BM. Here average revenue is equal to average cost. It means firm is earning only normal profit. Normal profit क्या है? We have already explained in perfect competition in monopoly that minimum profit must be earned by the firm to survive in the market. Okay, normal profit here. Okay, so this is the we have discussed three possibilities of a firm in monopolistic competition. Individual firm earning supernormal profit when average revenue is greater than average cost. Individual firm incurring losses when average revenue is less than average cost. And last, individual firm is earning only normal profit when average revenue is equal to average cost. Okay, आज के लिए इतना रहेगा. Thank you very much.